Subject-Verb Agreement. So students, in the story that we read just now, what does Sheenu do when she hears about her friend being injured? Sheenu run to the hospital. That is right, Manoj. She does run to the hospital. But next time, pay attention to subject-verb agreement. What is subject-verb agreement, ma'am? In the sentence you spoke, Sheenu, is she singular or plural? Singular, ma'am. Correct. Now the verb you used was run. Is that word singular or plural? Singular, ma'am. It does look like it's singular. However, in the simple present tense, a singular verb ends with an S. So the correct answer is Sheenu runs to the hospital? Yes, that's right. Now, can you guess what we will do if we have a plural subject? Say, Mary and Sheenu.
We will use a plural verb, and plural verbs do not end with an S. So, Mary and Sheenu run to the hospital.
You got that right, Tina. The subject must always agree with the verb, which means a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. This is called the subject-verb agreement. Let's look at two more examples. Look at the first sentence. The dogs jump over the fence. Here, dogs is a plural subject because we're talking about more than one dog, and jump is a plural verb. There is no S at the end of the verb. Since the subject and the verb are plural, we say that they are in agreement with each other. Now look at this sentence. The dog jumps over the fence. Here, the dog is a singular subject and jumps is a singular verb. Singular verbs in the simple present tense end with an S. Since the subject and verb are singular, we say they are in agreement with each other. Now, tell me, do the subject and verb agree in the following sentence? I run every day. No, because I is a singular subject, so the verb should be runs. Well, you have got the rule correct. However, for pronouns you and I, we use the plural verb. Remember this exception. Here are some examples. I like cake. You paint well. I and you are singular subjects, but we have used plural verbs with them. Let us quickly recap the rules of the subject-verb agreement. The subject and verb should always agree with each other. Singular verbs in the simple present ends with the letter S. Pronouns you and I take plural verbs. Happy learning!